Number 1 says Adam has a couch that is 7 feet long and 2 end tables that are each 18 inches wide. If he puts one end table at each end of the couch, how many feet of space will the furniture take up? So we have our couch, which is 7 feet. And then right next to it we have an end table, which is 18 inches. And we have another end table, which is 18 inches. So we want to know how many feet we have. So 18 inches plus 18 inches. 8 plus 8 is 16. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. So we have 36 inches. So we know it's going to take up 7 feet and 36 inches. But again, we want our answer in feet. So we know 1 foot equals 12 inches. So in order to convert 36 inches into feet, we need to divide 36 by 12. 12 goes into 36 3 times, which equals 3 feet. So now we have 7 feet plus 3 feet, which equals 10 feet. So we know that that's going to take up 10 feet of space. Number 2 says, Carlene is working on a rectangular puzzle that is 11/12 foot by 1 2/3 feet. What is the area of the completed puzzle? So again, when we're finding the area, we know we're doing length times width. So we're doing 11/12 times 1 2/3 to find the area. So if I were going to do this, I could do my area model. So I'm going to break up 1 2/3, and then I'm going to keep 11/12 the same. 1 times 11/12 is 11/12. 11/12 times 2/3, 11 times 2 is 22. 12 times 3 is 36. So now I need to add the 2 together. So this is 12 and this is 36, so I can also change this into 36. 12 times 3 is 36. 11 times 3 is 33. Plus the 22, 36. 22 plus 33 is 55, 36. So if you wanted to leave it as an improper fraction, you could, which would be 55, 36. Or 36 goes into 55 one time, 19 left over, our denominator stays the same. So the answer could also be 1 in 1936 feet squared. Number 3 wants you to write down whether you would find length, area, or volume for each situation. A says the amount of water in a pool. So since a pool is a 3D object, we would be using volume. B says the distance from your school to your home. So since we're measuring distance, we know that that is length. And C says the amount of paper needed to cover a bulletin board. Since paper is a 2D shape, if we want to find the area of it, we are using area. Number 4 says, on the lines below, write the value of the digits in 6,582,390,417 in word form. So the 6 is right here, which is 6 billion. The 5 is in the 500 millions. So it stands for 500 million. The 8 is in the tens millions. We have 8 of them. So it is 80 million. The 2 is in the millions. So 2 million. And the 3 is in the 100,000s. So 300,000. And the last one says complete the in and out table and then complete the rule that relates to the in numbers to the corresponding out numbers. So if I look at the rule, I would look here. I know I'm multiplying something. 1 times blank equals 1/4. So I know whenever I multiply it by 1, it's itself. So I know I'm multiplying by 1/4. So the rule is to multiply by 1/4. 0 times 1/4 is 0. 2 times 1/4 is 2/4, or 1/2. 8 times 1/4 is 2. In order to go from the out to the in, I do the opposite. So I'm dividing by 1/4, which means timesing by the reciprocal, which is 4. So 4 times 1/8 is 4/8, or 1/2.
You can leave it just like this.
In the last one, shouldn't be there, so we're going to ignore it.